Hello, I'm Micah Terrell, your instructor, and welcome to this COM 2140 instructional video on how to use the Adobe Audition program for saving your work and for your class projects. So first of all, let's talk about where the Adobe Audition is found on the board. We discussed that a little bit, but I want to show you again. It's Editor 2, and here it is. Make sure you have your channel on and selected. Make sure your input is selected on 2 and that your output is on 2 as well, so you can hear your work when you need to listen back. Now, where do we find Adobe on the desktop? So let's look here down on the second screen and look in the corner, the Start button, and find the Adobe Audition CC 2017 program. So you click on that and it'll take you to the screen, which I'm currently using now to record the sound for this instructional video. So to start your own new file, go to File and New, and then Audio File, because you just want to do that. We won't do multi-track sessions in this class. You'll do more of that work with audios 1 and 2. So you select Audio File, a pop-up window will come up. I can't do that right now. It'll stop my recording if I do, but you'll receive a pop-up when you select that new audio file, and it'll ask you to name the file. So put your name and put COM 2140 and the project that it is, if it's project 1, 2, 3, etc. Once you've done that, you'll find a workspace. And the workspace looks just like this, except it won't have any waveforms in it yet. Now, once you're ready to go, you need to select the red button, the record button, to record your work. So make sure you've checked all your levels for your elements that you're using, whether it's your voice or a music bed or a piece of sound, whatever those elements are, check those levels first and make sure those are good to go before you start recording. Again, to start the recording, press the red button and do your work. It will save your work as you go. When you're finished with your work, go ahead and press the square button. A word of advice: if you mess up while you're recording, don't constantly stop and start. Just separate each take and say take 2 and then count in and get to your work. That way, when it comes back to editing, it'll be easy to find everything that you need. Again, when you're done with your work, hit the square stop button. Do not select the pause button. That will not allow you to save your file, nor would it allow you to edit your file easily. Editing in this class with Adobe Audition will be very limited. If anything, if you need to delete something out of a file, that would probably be the only thing. And you just simply highlight the portion and then select delete on your keyboard, and then we'll delete the item, and that's the easy thing to do. But again, I would restrict any editing that you do much to this. You'll learn a lot more about that again, further in audios 1 and 2. When you're finished recording, you like what you've done, you need to save your work. So go up to File and select Save or Save As, and then select which destination folder to put your work. In this class, we use the COM 2140 desktop folder. So make sure you select that destination and say OK, and then it'll save your work. And I'm Micah Terrell in COM 2140. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.